Hey, what's going on? Ryan DePaul here, and today I'm excited to show you guys the AI tool made for network marketers. Welcome to myAI, the game changer in the world of network marketing. Imagine a tool that not only just streamlines your business processes, but also boosts your network marketing potential. Now, whether you're a seasoned marketer or you're new to the game, myAI is designed to catapult your success. In today's feature, we're going to dive into a how-to guide on one of our most impactful features, tailored for network marketing. Get ready to discover how myAI can revolutionize your approach and take your business to new heights.
In this video, we're going to share with you how to create your very first social post. When you see the pop-up, just click on check it out and you will get a surprise me post. So it's there to help you get started, and you can click surprise me anytime that you'd like. So you can see mine here, and I can also, inside posting, do different styles. Caption my image, caption my video, short text, long post. And every time I flip through each one of these toggles up at the top here, my social post will change according to the platform that it's on. So it's optimized for Facebook, it'll be optimized for Instagram, optimized for LinkedIn and X. And when I'm ready to post, I can just click on get started. That's how easy it is to get your first social post with us. Thanks so much for watching.
And that's how you effortlessly use this fantastic feature of myAI to elevate your everyday experience. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more that myAI can do and offers to make your life more smarter, easier, and more connected as well. Now, if you want to get your hands on myAI, what you can do is go ahead and click the link in the description below or in the comments that's pinned. Or if you want a special discount that I have the ability to give, go ahead and contact me through my socials. My number's in the description as well. You can text me or call me, or if you even just have some questions that you want to know more about this and see if this actually is real, feel free to do so, and I will be happy to answer that for you. So with that said, guys, hopefully you got some good value from this one and you actually like what you saw. Don't wait and get your hands on this amazing AI tool made for network marketers. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.